Hi guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Aura Estelle A5 wide, and I'm going to be using our March foil bundle. This is our subscription kit, and then I also have just a ton of other functional items that I've pulled as well. Most are from our shop, some are from other shops, but yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So I started out doing my sidebar and then realized that that's not how I do things, so I switched over to my date covers. I'm just adding in some foiled date dots here, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay those down as well as my bottom washi. Then I moved over to my sidebar, so I went ahead and took these leaf dividers to use to separate my sidebar. I'm sorry for Ozzy if you can hear him barking. I did 2 daily trackers as well as our new version of a weekly tracker. These have the bows instead of like the Monday through Sunday. And then on the 1 daily tracker I used one of our bow scripts and it just says workout. The other one I'm going to be using for walking the dogs, so I really need to maybe make a script for that. So after that, I wanted to go ahead and get my base laid down, so I put down my headers and then went ahead and got my full boxes down so that I could kind of start just like working around it. I know that I don't have to do this way, but for some reason when I plan, I can't plan without setting down my full boxes first. I don't know why that is. It's just a weird thing, but I have these bow headers from Simply Beautiful Plans, and I went ahead and put those at the bottom of the full boxes that were on the second row, if that makes sense. Also, I'm so sorry. It's currently 7 a.m. and I'm doing this while having my coffee. So I am, again, attempting to layer. So that's what I'm doing here. I think it turned out much better this time. I have a lot more layering items now. And then for the release that's coming today for $2 Tuesday, I know today's Monday, but I like to put them out on Mondays, I'm going to be releasing some more layering type items. I'm more or less trying to build up my collection of those, and as I'm designing stuff, I'm just releasing them for $2 Tuesday. And then they remain in the shop, so, and you guys seem to like them, so I'm going to keep doing it anyway. So I really like how that turned out. The very top I did the laptop, and then down at the bottom, because I've got a lot to do today as far as design work and other things, and then down at the bottom I need to run to the post office, and then I put in a little balloon because it is Bianca's birthday. So over on Tuesday I tried something a little bit different. I really love how that second little area turned out, so I put in foil. Tomorrow is going to be a big work day, and then down underneath I put in UPS swaps, and I layered one of the boxes, kind of like the one above it, over or under one of the, I don't know, round boxes that comes in the actual kits, and then I did just kind of flourishes, and I really love how that turned out. I thought that looked super cute. I do want to release some floral, just some plain florals for this $2 Tuesday, because I think that would have been a little bit easier than layering it over an entire other box, but it worked out. So next I'm going to be taking these, well, I ended up putting it somewhere else. I'm going to be taking a half box as well as one of those tiny little frames, and I put in work and then just put a portrait up in the top. I don't know how I feel about that one, but I still feel like they all look better than they did to start with. So I feel like I'm improving, which, you know, that's always a good thing. So moving over to the second half of the week, I always have a lot to get done on Thursday because it's the day before new releases, and I like to try to have everything done before I go to bed so that there's nothing else in the morning. I did start out though, you can see I'm sitting here just playing with this, trying to make it look good. I started out though with package orders. We have got a lot to ship this week. We finished up birthday sale orders on, well, I think it was Thursday. And now we've moved on to everything since then, and there is a ton of orders that we're going to be getting through this week. They're going to be shipping out really quickly. We just had a bunch for the birthday sale, so anytime that we have a lot come in on a particular day or weekend like that, it always takes a little bit longer. So anyway, moving up to Friday, I put in new releases plus Facebook group coupon. We will be having that this week if you're interested. I do keep the Facebook group linked down below. And I did another leaf header. I need something to kind of just fill space when I don't have anything to put that isn't just one of those like half, like banners, I guess is what I want to say. So I don't know. I'm going to work on just kind of messing around with things and seeing if I can come up with anything. And now I kind of start going back and forth. So for Saturday, I put in meal plan. For Sunday, I did one of those larger boxes, and then the pajama. It's not really an icon. It's a pretty big pajama design, I guess. I went ahead and put in post office over on Friday because I will need to drop some things off. And then back over to Saturday, I'm putting in a grocery sticker underneath that meal plan. Saturday morning, I like to sit down, figure out the recipes for the week, write everything out that I need, and then go and get groceries. Underneath that, I put in laundry as well as a floral banner. And then I'm sorry for the dogs if you guys can hear them. It's first thing in the morning. Their favorite thing to do is just run all over the bed, back and forth. They have so much energy in the morning. Can't relate. So underneath that, I just put in a film reel and wrote film edit and upload, as well as a take out the trash script. And then over on Saturday, I put in a YouTube binge script. So this is the finished spread. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you think my layering is improving in the comments, and I will talk to you guys next time.